This 2026 Jayco Pinnacle 38 FBRK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, spare tire kit, oven, skylight, water heater, auxiliary battery, slide-out, external shower, stovetop burner, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Pinnacle 38 FBRK is 15,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.